Chapter 6 Carnivorous Plants. There are some plants that eat insects. Therefore, they are called carnivorous plants. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant known for its unique jaw-like leaves that snap shut when triggered by prey. It captures and digests insects to supplement its nutrition as it grows in nutrient-poor soils. The trap is lined with tiny hairs that, when touched twice, cause the lobes to close rapidly. This fascinating mechanism helps the plant survive in its natural habitat of wetlands in the Carolinas. Sundew. Sundews are carnivorous plants that use sticky, glandular hairs on their leaves to trap unsuspecting insects. When an insect lands on the leaf, it gets stuck in the glue-like secretion, and the leaf slowly curls around it. The plant then secretes digestive enzymes to break down the prey and absorb its nutrients. Found in bogs and marshes worldwide, sundews are one of the most widespread carnivorous plant species. Pitcher plant. The pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant that traps its prey using deep, liquid-filled tubular leaves. Insects are attracted to the plant's nectar and bright colors, but once they enter, they slip on the waxy surface and fall into the digestive fluid. The trapped prey is then broken down and absorbed by the plant for nourishment. This remarkable adaptation allows it to thrive in nutrient-poor environments like bogs and swamps. Bladderwort. Bladderworts are aquatic carnivorous plants that capture tiny prey using small, vacuum-like bladders. These bladders create a suction trap that snaps shut in milliseconds when triggered by water-dwelling organisms. Found in freshwater environments worldwide, bladderworts are rootless and float freely in water. Their ability to consume tiny insects and microorganisms helps them survive in nutrient-deficient waters. Cobra lily. The cobra lily, also known as the California pitcher plant, is a carnivorous plant with a hooded, snake-like appearance. Its twisted leaves form a tubular trap that lures insects inside, where they become disoriented and cannot escape. Unlike other pitcher plants, it does not use digestive enzymes but relies on bacteria to break down prey. This rare and unusual plant is found in cold, nutrient-poor bogs of North America. Butterwort. Butterworts are carnivorous plants with sticky, gland-covered leaves that attract and trap small insects. Once an insect gets stuck, the plant secretes digestive enzymes to break it down and absorb essential nutrients. These plants thrive in moist, nutrient-deficient soils and help control insect populations. Butterworts are also known for their beautiful, delicate flowers that resemble violets. Fun fact: majority of carnivorous plants are found in damp heaths, swamps and muddy places.